What's up, guys? Welcome to Dividend Division. Just want to share my Gladstone Land position with you. Just got a dividend and show you where this is sitting. So Gladstone Land is trading at $33.76 today. It's January 1st, 2022. So Happy New Year. You made it through 2 really crazy years, so should be pretty good this year, hopefully. Let's take a look at my position. I got 6 shares. The value is $202.56. Average cost $25.62. And this makes up 1.49% of my portfolio. And I am up $48.85. That's 31%. So that's where we're at there. And if you don't already know, Gladstone Land is basically a real estate investment trust that invests in farmland that grows fruits, vegetables, and nuts. They don't do livestock or anything like that. So it's vegan friendly, and it's a pretty good business model. They only have 67 employees. They were founded in 1997 by David Gladstone out of Virginia. They have now $1 billion market cap, which, if we look back not too long ago, they were trading much smaller. When I first bought my shares, they were around this, they're in the $12 range. But unfortunately, I sold all those shares and went into other stocks. And as you can see, everything went up. So I've been buying back in at higher prices now. But that's what you get. That's what I get. So a little lesson to be learned there is if you really believe in a company, just keep getting those shares, build out that long-term position, and then hold, or else you'll be buying shares at prices that you don't want to buy them at. And then you always have the downside risk that eventually that will come back down, and then now all your shares are at a loss. So just something to keep in mind. One reason why I like this stock as well is it does pay a monthly dividend. The yield is not so high now, only 1.6 annual. It does pay monthly, which is really great, though. Back when you can buy this for $12 a share, it was a great investment, and it paid 4 cents per month per share you own, so you could really build out a nice position. I was new to investing at that time, still am new, and really wish I would have built a really big position into it at that point, but I didn't realize how well it would do, and I didn't realize that property values were going to go up so much. So land went up, and it's because, as you know, the physical real estate itself went up in value a lot in the last couple of years, especially the last year. And, this is a real estate investment trust. So as the value of the physical land went up, their stock price went up with it. The analysts are actually recommending you hold, but definitely not selling. No one's saying you should sell. They are profitable every month. And let's take a look at my buying history. I want to show you my dividend. So my goal is to just buy a share every month and grow that dividend every single month. So that's the goal. Let's start at the beginning. Started buying it in 2019. Had 3 shares, got 13 cents per month. I know this is not a lot, guys. It's just that I was still am dabbling with this thing now. I'm just investing in so many different things. It's hard to really throw a lot of money into a specific sector, especially one like this one right here that's really, really high in value right now. And I don't want to buy too many shares right now and have the stock price crash 50% and then be down. Good thing is you'd still get your dividend most likely. They wouldn't probably cut that unless they went into a crazy depression or something, but just something to think about. So yeah, started off small, 13 cents a month. Can't buy much with that. 22 cents. That 22 cents, I had 5 shares. Then I went up to 36 cents. That's because I had 8 shares at one time. 8 shares. And then I'll show you what I bought and sold too. Let's see. So yeah, then looks like I sold everything, and then sold everything in 2020. Started buying everything back in October 1st. So I'll show you. Yeah, October 1st of 2021. So over a year later, started buying back in. Now, the whole reason I even bought this company, it wasn't like one of my staple companies that I thought of as a blue chip at the time. I was actually having a pretty substantial, no, not substantial, but a pretty nice dividend from another dividend stock, and then I would just take those dividends and buy land with it. So I actually never invested in land with my own money. It was just my dividend money, just trying to compound that interest. I didn't have enough dividend to buy the stock that actually paid the dividend, so I was buying this one because it was really cheap. So yeah, more recently, now I'm up to the 27 cents. That's because I have 6 shares right now. So I'd like to get it to $1 a month and then just keep growing it. Then $2 a month, $3 a month, $10 a month, $100 a month. The problem is if you do the math, to make $100 a month on this, I think you'd have to have like $80,000 invested to get $100 a month. I think. I have to check on that, but something crazy. It's not really worth investing a whole lot into this right now. So you're probably wondering, why are you even making this video? Good question. But let's look at my orders and my buy and sell. So back when I was buying it, picked up a share for $12.04 back in 2019. Then got 2 shares for $24. Then it looks like I was gonna sell, and then I canceled. Not sure why I did that. Maybe I accidentally did that. And then I picked up 2 shares for $25.87. Then I picked up, and as you can see, this is like 3 months apart. So this is just, I was getting a quarterly dividend from another stock, and I just, as that grew, I would just buy more. And then you can see I bought 3 shares here. See, average cost. I was buying these at $9.80. Gosh, that's the lowest I bought it. And then at that point, I'm like, man, this is going down. I'm just going to sell like an idiot. Sold all 8 shares for $13.10. And then, I mean, now look at it. Now I'm buying them back for twice as much, $23, $23, $22, $25, $28. Just picked up a share for $30. Gosh. So that's the thing with investing. You want to look at it like it's a long-term thing. Unless you're trading, obviously, which I can't really give you advice on that. In fact, none of this is advice. This is just entertainment purposes. But if I were to tell you what I'm doing, that's a little different. So the way I see it is, you want to buy something that you really care about, not something that you're really going to want to sell. I mean, I only want to invest in things that it would be really hard for me to sell, even at a profit. Companies or assets that I just really care about. I really like the business, and I think that they have a great future ahead of them. And a lot of times, if they're doing really good ethical things, like for instance, I don't mind investing in land because they're growing fruits, vegetables, and nuts. I mean, these are all good things for us, and it's not like they're raising livestock, which is obviously bad for us and bad for the animals. Just consuming animals and stuff is not so great, but yeah, anyways, we'll leave it at that for land stock. And I will keep you posted on my other dividend stocks as well. I do have other dividend stocks, so I'll probably just, every time I get a dividend, I'll just make a video just giving you like an update on it. All right, guys, Happy New Year. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.